welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, but today I'll show you how to make different hairstyles using ribbon bands because they are so trendy now. So I decided why not to give it a try so you can learn and you can recreate them as well so we can be trendy together. Make sure to watch this video till the end because here you'll find not just ribbon bands, types of tying, but also how to take a step further and make your hairstyle look even more interesting. I'm so excited. Let's get started. They're so easy.
So basically we'll need a lot of rubber band. Because I want to see clearly what I'm doing, I decided to take black one and not color measure. Okay, for this week that's everything for you. Now I'll select a rectangle top section, then I'll divide it basically into two, tying first section using a ribbon band. Then you want to make an opening, then bring this tiny ponytail through this opening, grabbing first ponytail, incorporate it into second section, tie it, make an opening, bring the last ponytail through this opening again, release your hair, and you're done. Now we'll take a step further, like I said, and I'll smooth out all my hair into a high ponytail, then grabbing my donut bun, I'll stretch it and wear it like an elastic, and then grabbing my hair, I'll wrap around it, making sure there are no donut buns showing. Then using a clear elastic, I'll tie it, use some hairspray, and I'm done. Now third one, we'll grab a rectangle section on my top, but making sure my lines are pretty much even. Then I'll grab my first section, divide it into two, and tie each section into ponytails, of course. Make sure your lines are straight. For me it was a little harder because I'm filming, but you can do better, I'm sure. Now you want to twist one of this section, a kind of crisscrossing them, and tie it with opposite section, making an X shape of our ponytails. Release your hair and you're done. Now moving on to our updo, we'll grab all our hair, smoothing it out with a comb. You want to tie it using an elastic into a low ponytail, but make sure to bring your hair halfway through on last time, and then wrap the ends around to hide the elastic and tuck it into the elastic the ends. Then pull your bun and twist it to make a good shape, and you're done. Now we'll move on to our next. We'll grab our top section, making sure our lines are straight, divide it into two, leave one of them away for later. Then grabbing first section, we want to tie it using a clear elastic, then grabbing this ponytail and grabbing a little more hair from the same half section. You want to incorporate first ponytail into it, and then incorporate a second ponytail into a third one, creating this bubbly looking ponytail. Make sure to pull your bubbles as you finish your bubble ponytail. Then you want to incorporate a little more hair from the scalp and tie it, making a ponytail. Then you want to tease a little bit your hair, smoothing it out if you need. You want to twist it. Use a clear elastic to tie your bun, pin it, and yes, you're done. Now, for our next hairstyle, we will make a central parting, and then you want to grab kind of line section and twist it away from your central parting. You want to tie it. And then grabbing your second section, you want to twist it now towards your central parting and tie it as well. Now you want to repeat the same steps on other side of your central parting. You grab your section, make sure your partings are even, and then you want to twist it towards your central parting and tie it using a clear elastic. And moving on to our fourth section, you want to bring it towards your central parting and of course tie it. And you're done. Then moving on to our last hairstyle, we'll make with these four sections a 4-strand braid. Basically, we'll twist our B strand under the C strand. Here I think it's a little harder to understand what I'm doing. That's why I decided I'll pin a scheme so you can see better how to cross your strands. So you can stop this video and continue by yourself and understanding how to make. Make sure to tie the ends, and then grabbing the rest, you want to make a ponytail, a very low ponytail. Grabbing your ponytail, you want to wrap it around your hand and kind of making a knot. I'll make it a little slower so you can see better what I'm doing. You want to pin it then from the sides, and you're done.
If you want more hairstyles with ribbon bands, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. This way I'll know that you're interested and I'll know that you want more hairstyles like that. Also, don't forget to leave me in comments down below what kind of hair tutorials you like to see on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today. You know, I love you so much. Mwah!